Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be repolishing my carbon fiber trunk. It's actually, I actually just got this one. I just got this trunk from my buddy. He ended up parting out his WRX, but you guys can see all this oxidation. It's pretty freaking bad. So I'm gonna try to hopefully clear it out, and if I can't, I'll probably just get a clear coat on it. I mean, this side looks pretty good, but it's just the top where the sun was hitting it. It's pretty bad. But I'm gonna try to re-clear this with my polisher, and also I got my APR wing. I'll probably be doing a re-clear on this, so I'm gonna sand it down and re-clear it, and if it don't come out good, I'm probably just gonna wrap over it. You guys can see, I mean, this wing's old. It's like 3 years old, 4. I don't know, man, but APR be slagging on their clear coats. I heard they use real cheap gel coats, but I mean, it is what it is. I can't do nothing about it. That's your side. Well, yeah, guys, let me set you guys up, and hopefully I'm able to re-clear this top of the carbon fiber trunk. Here's my original one, the VIS one. And that one's in pretty good condition. I mean, just a little bit dusty. But this one's up for sale. So, but yeah, guys, let me set you guys up real quick and we'll see if it works. After I get done with the clear cut, I'm gonna go with the P4 Perfect Polish and a black pad. And after it's polished, I'm gonna go with the, where's it at? Here it is. I'm gonna go by with the Jet Seal to protect it from happening again. So let's take a look at how I do it, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. My storage was full, so I had to go inside, delete some storage, and hopefully it doesn't cut off again. But here it is. The trunk's looking pretty solid now. And now I'm gonna go with the Perfect Polish and the black pad, and let's see how it turns out. All right, guys, here it is. This thing looks like new. I don't even see no scratches or anything. I mean, that's pretty solid. So I went with the clay bar first. After the clay bar, I hit it with the yellow pad and a clear cut. After that, I hit it with the Perfect Polish and a black pad. And here's the results. It looks pretty, I mean, I don't see no swirls or scratches or anything. Now I'm gonna finish it off with the, where is it at? I'm gonna finish it off with the Jet Seal. It's a sealant and a protectant, pretty much. So, I mean, so I'm gonna apply that over, and other than that, I mean, this trunk should be pretty good to go. I'll be getting some carbon fiber badges, but I went with this trunk because I didn't want the duckbill. I'm gonna put that wing on this trunk, and hopefully it looks pretty damn sweet. But man, that looks new. Ain't nothing wrong with this truck no more. So I'm gonna go by and hit it with the Jet Seal real quick. All right, guys, now I'm gonna hit it with the Jet Seal real quick. Start off with the cement coat. All right, guys, so I just applied it real quick. I'm gonna let it dry for like a minute or two. Then I'm gonna wipe it down with the detailer, and that should be good to go. Just wipe this down. Freaking new. All right, guys, here it is. Here's the trunk, nice and polished. Damn, it should look like new, man. But all right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this little quick video on how to polish your oxidated carbon fiber hood or trunk or anything. I'm in Florida, so it's real freaking hot, man. I'm sweating. Boy, I'm sweating, bro. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this little quick video on how to polish. Like I said, I might be re-clearing this this wing right here. It's got a big chip, you guys already saw. So I'll probably be sanding it down and re-clearing it for you guys. But other than that, I mean, I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.